Hi all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you how I managed to scale a jewelry brand from generating 6k a month all the way up to 40k a month. I will share with you absolutely everything, what we did for Facebook ads, what we did for email marketing, and how we were able to scale this brand from 6 to 40k a month in just about a year. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Alex. I own an e-commerce growth agency and we help e-commerce businesses scale through Facebook ads, Google ads, and email marketing. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. So this specific client came from a referral. Before we started working with them, they were not spending any money on paid ads. No, they were doing email marketing. When we started working together, the first thing we did is we launched Facebook ads. The starting budget for us was about $50 per day. So I was spending $45 every single day on prospecting and just $5 on retargeting. Because their retargeting audience was very small, $5 a day were enough for us to retarget the majority of the people in their targeting audience. With time, we did manage to scale the ad account to spend $100 a day. And when we scaled to $100 a day, I was spending $80 on prospecting and $20 on retargeting. When we scaled from $50 to $100 spending per day, I started to test a lot more. I started to test landing pages, which of their collections were generating the majority of the revenue because they are selling rings, necklaces, pendants, bracelets, and the list goes on. So I started to test which of those collections are generating the majority of the revenue. And for this specific business, it was the rings and bracelets, so we put the majority of the focus on them. After we find out which collections were generating the most revenue, we started testing a lot more creatives. We were testing videos, dynamic product ads, carousels, and single images. With all of these testing, this allowed us to scale the budget to $250 every single day. And now during Black Friday, for this specific client, we're gonna be spending $500 a day. Also in January this year, we launched email marketing. Since they haven't done any email marketing prior to this, we started by building the core flows and creating pop-ups to get as many email subscribers as possible. The core flows that we created were welcome series, abandoned cart flow, and we created also upsells and cross-sells, which allowed us to increase the lifetime value of each customer. When it comes to sending campaigns, we started sending 2 campaigns to the list every single week. When we got to 5,000 email subscribers, we started segmenting the list into small segments of people. People who engage with our emails, people who don't engage with our emails, people who bought a specific type of bracelet, people who bought a specific type of ring. And then we know if someone bought a turquoise bracelet, they might be interested in turquoise ring. So we were using this information to upsell and cross-sell people into different products. And for each individual segment, we were sending tailored emails, which is key when it comes to email marketing. We also created a segment of people who spent more than $500 with the business, and for those customers we gave them early access to sales and discounts that were running on the website. This way we made people feel special and that they spent more money on jewelry with the business. Our next goal with this client is to launch Google Ads, which is going to help tremendously when it comes to sales and for us to start hitting 100k months. Google Ads will definitely help, but what also we're gonna do is we're gonna scale the budget on the Facebook ads. And now since we have a lot more subscribers on email marketing, the email revenue is about 33% of the total business revenue. But yeah, that was about it guys. Thank you very much for your time. If you found any value, like, subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out get these videos out there. And again, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And yeah, thank you for your time and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.